I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini photo editing. We will dive into its core functionalities, showing you how this intelligent tool can transform your images. Gemini leverages artificial intelligence to simplify complex editing tasks, allowing you to achieve stunning results with minimal effort. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced editor, you will discover how to make your photos truly shine, saving you valuable time and enhancing your creative workflow. Gemini provides a robust set of features designed to elevate your photography. You can effortlessly correct lighting and color with its smart AI suggestions, often with just one click. The object removal tool allows you to erase distractions, making your subject stand out. Explore a wide array of artistic filters and effects to give your photos a unique look, and fine-tune specific regions using powerful local adjustment brushes for ultimate control. Let's walk through a typical editing workflow. First, import your chosen image into the Gemini interface. Next, apply the automatic enhancement feature to get an immediate boost in quality. Then, dive into manual adjustments, fine-tuning elements like exposure, contrast, and saturation to your liking. Finally, export your masterpiece in one of several high-quality formats, ready to share with the world or print for display. To achieve the best possible results with Gemini, always begin with high-resolution images. This provides more data for the AI to work with. Don't hesitate to experiment with various AI suggestions and presets to discover unique looks. Remember to utilize non-destructive editing, which keeps your original photo untouched, allowing for endless revisions. Consistent practice will help you master the advanced tools and shortcuts, making your editing process even more efficient and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.